Hey there, good afternoon. My name's Ian, known as WanderBeard around these parts, of course. And this is just a quick message to announce a new section on my website and also here on YouTube. So, as you know, I've been traveling now for well over a year and a half almost. And I've now stayed in between 60 and 70 different places over that time. And so what I thought I would do is break out the accommodations reviews that I've done over the last year and a half. As you know, if you watch most of my videos, at some point I do a quick, review of where I've been staying. But for some people who are looking for just, hotel recommendations or places to stay as they're traveling through, I thought it'd be good to also break that out into separate videos. So I'm in the process of building out a complete collection of YouTube shorts of hotel reviews that I've done during my travels. And in coordination with this, on my own website, WanderBeard.com, there will also be links there that are not sponsored in any way to booking information, addresses, maps, photos of the rooms, those types of things. And kind of use that as a guide for people who are looking for information all in one place. So rather than, reading a blog post about a city and then having a hotel mention at the bottom, this will actually be a separate resource section on my site for hotel reviews. And so I thought it was a kind of a cool way to kind of expand on some of the stuff that I have and share some of that knowledge with you. So that's what this is. Basically just a quick note to say that on my website and here on YouTube, I'll be releasing the series of shorts pretty quickly, like once every couple days I'll be posting a new video. This will not, interrupt my regular upload schedule for vlogs and other travel videos that I've been doing. But I do want to get them out there, and I didn't want to just dump them all out at once because then it just becomes too much. So every couple days, I'm going to start releasing a new short from the hotel reviews. I'm going all the way back to the beginning from when I started my travels early 2024. So you'll see video reviews from Canada, St. Pierre Miquelon, my trip through the US, and then from there I head down into Mexico, of course, and through the rest of Latin America, and those updates and those shorts will continue going forward. Anyway, that's all. I just wanted to post this little introductory video to the shorts section that's coming out for the hotel reviews, and I do hope you find it of some use. Again, none of these links or reviews are sponsored in any way, so if you do find them useful, feel free to support me in a number of different ways. There's, donation links down below. I have memberships set up here on YouTube, of course, and I also have my merchandise shop, which has some, if I do say so myself, some pretty nice looking shirts. Anyway, that's all. Thank you so much. As always, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope you find some of those hotel reviews useful. And remember, life is short. Wander.